Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. I'm the Struggling Day Trader, and we live, baby. Tuesday, March 3rd or May 13th. My bad. Yeah. So, small red day yesterday, and which is crazy because one of the trades I was 2R green on. So definitely today. Today, my objective is to trade the chart, to wait for my buy signal to buy, and wait for my sell signal to sell. That's my goal. What up, OJ? Wave Rider. Yeah, that's exactly what I got on watch today, OG. I got CNSP. I got HCWB. And I got JD, which had earnings. Caught in a riptide. Dang, man, we gotta reset, bro. We gotta pull out the small shovel and start digging. You gotta put the big shovel up for a minute. Hey, Three Pony, good morning. Let's see. Let's go over I wanted to update this yesterday, but I didn't really get to. Risk is down to 100. Watch list criteria daily above the EMA. I believe that is the case. Yeah, that's the case on JD, CNSP. All right, everybody's above the EMA. Previous day narrow range. Yep, no second day run ups or anything. Looking good there. Waiting for a pullback to EMA. That red 5-minute hammer time. Higher high is a must. Like, that's the hugest thing. The hugest thing. CNSP. I was looking at CNSP and I was like, I wonder if you can just play this off pre-market, bro. Because this looks like like if this happened in the open, I would be like, all right, man, let's try to get in somewhere. But K1, what's going on? I need to turn off these alarms. They're getting on my nerves. Getting on my nerves. Yeah, after all this, I feel like if it goes higher, it's gonna go higher. I'm good, man. I'm feeling good. I'm excited at another day to chase the dream and perform better than yesterday, better than the day before. That higher high, it'd be that one that I think it's not wanting to wait for the higher high is basically from FOMO, not wanting it to, because it's like the idea that by the time it makes the higher high, it's not gonna pull back and give you the higher low. That's the fear. But I was realizing, I was like, bro, but it happens all the time. Like, there's no reason for you not to expect it to happen because it happens and you trade it and it works. So, like, you being worried that it's not going to happen and jumping in before the signal, because it might not happen and you get left behind. Like, bro, just chill. It's gonna happen. So I'm trying to change my expectation to like it's gonna pull back and give me a great setup. Like I'm gonna like try to make myself believe that, and I'm just gonna get my feelings hurt when it doesn't happen. Like, dang, you didn't. I thought we, like the fear of it not happening is stupid. I'm going to expect it to happen. It's going to make a higher high and it's going to pull back. It's going to give me a higher low. It's going to be a narrow range. I'm going to get a great setup. Just got to wait for it. Any minute now it's coming. Any minute. I can feel it. So I'm just going to wait.
HOOD.
This looks like a go over the opening range on CNSP. It looks like it's about to explode. Yeah. See? Boom, boom, boom. Boom. That's good to see, though. That is good to see. That means it has a good chance of staying in play for a while. What is this? Halted?
Yeah. INTC.
All right. So anyway, working back down the list.
RUN.
A lot of times the pullback, the run up, like my fear, when it actually happens, it runs up and it moves up a lot, and then the pullback is super extended from the
LYG.
EMA, and I'm like debating, should I take it? But the truth is I already missed it because I'm hunting at the EMA. And either I wasn't paying attention or it didn't give me an entry and I missed it, and now it's way up above the EMA, and I'm like wondering if this is a good pullback to get in, but it's not. It's not extended above and definitely not below. What does the volume say? The volume tells such a good story, and I think I'm pretty in tune with it when I trade it. I just definitely when it comes to take profit, like that's entirely, I think it's natural for everyone to trade based off of the P&L, because I feel inclined, to take profit or hold based on the P&L, and you guys definitely be trying to get me to take profit based on the P&L. So, JD with the massive wide range 5-minute opening candle. There she goes. Look at that. That's pretty wide range though. That's not a good entry candle. If I got in right there, you'd have to risk the lower day. Yeah, that's a terrible entry candle. That's how I'll be getting caught up right there. Just like that. JD looks super solid though. Just definitely need that pullback.
CNSP.
Yeesh. Look out below. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt, HH. ALZN. That didn't go. JD. Now I just needed to come back and give me a narrow range higher low. Yeah. Filling the market to the upside, huh? Let's see. Let's take a look at the old SPY over here. Looks pretty strong, man. That's a really nice opening setup right there. Now that's a 5-minute opening range breakout right there. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. CNSP done halted down. All right. And then what does the volume say? Have buyers come in? Is volume increasing on the 1? Is there ending igniting volume? Let's see. Ads only on the 5. Do not buy after a wide range high volume red candle. This stock is out of play until a new high over that candle. Do not buy a higher low without the higher high. That's the key, man. This is one of those gray areas I used to have. Oh, that's an offering? Dang, that thing got destroyed. What's up, low floats? And I need that red 5-minute candle. Red. Red, son. Yeah, that color. Well, both the small cappers are halted down. That's a wrap on CNSP. They don't ever go back up after the offering. Put me on game. All right, but I'm definitely I bought the trial for Ross's. Actually, one of our kind struggle members. Well, they not struggling, but donated a trial membership for Ross's trial thing for $20. And so I'm gonna try to do the refresher course and just kind of get a little schooling about the small cap game, you know, floats and all that stuff, because I'm really just trading the charts and what little bit I know about small caps, which isn't much. Thanks, OG. I'm excited. Lobo. Ooh, look at Lobo. I might have to revisit Lobo. What y'all think about Lobo? Did Lobo have news though? I didn't see any news on Lobo. I switched to Yahoo for news. Benzinga was just too. The opening page was too much, bro. Ads all over the place. It was too much to sort through. It was stressing me out. Yo, what up, Trey? Yo, Trey, what's the story on Lobo?
LICN.
I mean, Lobo, cool. It's a China stock. It's just a random China stock. No news. I mean, 58 million shares traded. That's news, ain't it? Tariff pump. Catalyst is the tariff pump. That ain't valid. Dang, bro, that didn't even move that much. All you need is Billy. Hilarious. Uh, all right, so I'm taking CNSP off the charts, right? Taking it off. I'll put Lobo up. Lobo. You just gotta calm down for a minute, throw some narrow range candles, and then halt to the upside, baby. That's what I was thinking, you know. Shoot. Tariffs are a catalyst. All right. Appreciate it, HH. Double H. Yeah, I see that. That's what I'm saying. Lobo just need to throw some of them narrow range candles for a minute. Calm down a bit. They said they already dropped the offering, Trey. That's what that big fat red candle was. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You missed it. You missed the dip and you missed the offering. Who, the people running the small caps? The market makers. Man, come on, JD. Throw me that pullback, dog. You doing too much. You need to chill out. That 15 is strong. Oh, China. That's funny. There we go. Bring it on back, JD. Drop it below the EMA on the one and then bring it on back and we'll go for a ride. Yo, is this crazy? Is this crazy right here? That's a pretty wide candle though, huh? Is it 2R back to high a day? What is that? Ugh, yeah, it's almost $2, man. Yo, what up, though? Discipline over profits. What up, Knives? Usually wait till late morning. It's like, nah, we need the money now. RJ, what's good, bro? MVST. Is that okay? Ooh, man, the only issue, bro, is it's up 1, 2, 3, 4 green days in a row, right up at resistance, bro. That's my issue. Just like right out the gate. Right out the gate. Look at all this resistance over here. Oh my God. I mean, maybe it's ready to break today. You know, it's been fighting that level for a long time, bro. So maybe today's the day, but I would feel more comfortable if we started like closer to the breakout. Like it's like imagine the move up from here, how ridiculous it would look on the chart. Not that it can't happen, but like, yeah, we got a nice big day over here. You know, it could happen. You could squeeze up to like 350 or something. But you're definitely sitting at resistance. I would want to see a nice break over and then a nice pullback, like maybe even on the 15, and it hold that level. But over 3, yeah, it's got to be over and like clear over, like not in the breakout, but the pullback, like at least a 5-minute pullback, not a 1 for me, you know. I'm trying to get in the longer trend though, you know. Maybe you could play it on the 1, but yeah, that's you zoom out and see that level clear as day, boy. Yeah, so just I would just say be cautious around that. ICCT Whoa. Oh, look at all this mess. I would not want to trade against all these guys. Billies and bag holders. I'm good. Y'all can have it. LICN. Picking up steam to the downside. Yeah, that comment didn't age well. That comment had about 2 seconds on it. Nah, I did run up, but it got smashed. Good Lord. Let the fools play. Yeah, I'm cool on ICCT. HCWB. I know, ain't it? There's just nothing to base anything off of at this point. Yeah, I do see that. But it's below the EMA. See what it does when it gets to 13. Because that'd be a nice little area for it to reject and continue down. 15 is super extended off the EMA. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. We'll see though. Still got 10 seconds on the candle. But yeah, this narrow range, this 15 close green though. That could be cool. See, this is kind of enticing. It's just not enough information to feel confident about it, and I don't need
WFC.
I don't need that type of stress in my life. I don't need it. JD. It's my narrow range pickup candle right here that I was talking about. Got 5 minutes to see. Yeah, you're right. MVST. I'm gonna second. I might MVST back open. MVST. Hey, it broke that level. We might need to watch this, Pharaoh. I got JD giving me exactly what I want over here, though. I just don't know if this candle is the big bad wolf or not. You know? You ain't at 240? Okay. Okay. I hope you took some profit. Yeah, I know, Trey. I'm over here thinking the same thing. But I mean, it ain't went yet, you know. It definitely got it back above the EMA. I mean, the first actual setup for me would be, I mean, yeah, it just ain't there. It just ain't there. MVHS, is that what it was? MVST. This is actually really nice on the 5, man. This ain't bad right here. But it's up now. Yeah, that makes sense too. They ain't got no float. Mm-hmm. ICCT. Lobo looking bad out here, bruh. Dang, ICCT. D. D. Halt is 349. Ah, JD. You raggedy, bro. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, no doubt, HH. That's really where it's at. Dang, JD. Yeah. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, I was looking at LC today. Oh yeah, I thought that's what it was gonna do. Ooh, look at SMCI. Look at that uptrend. That is gorgeous. On the one. Did HCWB halt? Oh, sure did. Dang, man. I don't want to have a no trade day. Yeah. Yo, look at this though. This level of support. I don't know, man. I think we kind of got to take this. The support level is too great. But on the higher time frames, let's see where this thing closes at 10 o'clock. That's nice though, bro.
NE.
Considering the level of support we're talking about here. It's not a setup though. Can't take it. It's too high. All right, that was easy. That was easy. Okay, now what? Boop, 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 boop. It sure look good though. Here goes HCWB. We should have took it right there, Trey. Wait, shut up, tuck it. It looked good. It was just scary. There's just no information, man. But look at this. We still got 2 minutes left. Bruh, nobody wants to sell it over this level, though. Look at the one. Which one you talking about, Knives? Look at the one. As soon as it broke over this level, like nobody's selling it, bro. It's like everybody's ready for the move over. I know, man. Yeah, you're right. But the risk to, yeah. I mean, that's what we want, though. It's the damn. Okay, that made it real clear. That's all I need to see sometimes, Trey. Is that? All right, you win. Appreciate you. Yo, this stuff is hard. Constantly talking yourself down off the ledge. Bruh, it's so legit though. You right. You right. Yeah, the time for this trade on the daily is maybe a few days from now. Would it be a good loss? It just makes sense to me though. But it already did so much though. That's the thing. But I mean, this is a legitimate breakout. Like it's probably on the weekly. Yeah. Like
Order filled.
oh man, I didn't even get the break. Yeah, it was pre-market like the quarter risk. I was messing with my keys. in SSR. You better get on somewhere. You don't sound busy. Okay. Yeah, it's a lot of volume coming through at that level. What MVST does? Oh, so this it's like a large cap. Oh, okay. It's a big difference there, bro. That 8 was a big deal, bro. What up, Jack? Nah, that was just that specific setup I took that one day on ASST. That was just like another another play in my back pocket. But my main entry is the 5. And we got a real tight 5 minute entry. I didn't even realize how tight it was. We're talking about like 7 cent. I think so too, Knives. I got you, OG. When I get my first sell signal. Appreciate it, Knives. Yeah, that's definitely what I'm looking for. I just wanna this good execution.
CVX.
I just think it's gonna work out, if I in the long run, if I just maintain good execution. Yeah, that was a nice higher low though on the 5, but it's a lower high, so can't really do nothing with it.
Order filled.
I know, right? What up, home runner?
Adichie. Order filled.
We cooking, baby. Where you at? We cooking, baby. Yeah, you're right. First of all, stop to break even. Yo, Jack. Yep, for sure, Knives. That's definitely the MO. Yeah, I'm trading the one. I'm trading the one. I'm selling the pops, the volume pops on the one. And when I see a 5 minute break a low, I'm getting out of 3/4. Yeah, I got my eyes on 350, Joe. I'm definitely getting like half out at 350. Is this SSR? I don't know. I mean, Sterling used to show me when stuff was SSR. Okay, no, it's not. So we're good.
Order filled.
Yeah, when a stock is SSR, I can't put a stop and take profit in at the same time. That's why I was asking. JD look like it's heating up a little bit over here. It's got some work to do though, because as of right now, this is the last high. uh, Coin and Meta. Yeah. Man, I ain't pulled up Meta in ages. It's so expensive. Gosh, I think it was $400 last time I pulled it. It's been up to 800 almost. Golly. That's a nice little five right there. That's a nice five right there at the previous high. Yeah, that's good. I would take that if I was watching this morning, but there's too many variables to calculate right now. Remind me to come back and look at that meta setup I just drew. Did it? I don't know. I don't think I can mess with it midstream, but I keep it at the lowest latency. Is it frozen? Can y'all see me? Am I frozen? All right, hold up. I got you. All right, we good? Chart refreshed? All right, cool. Cool. Hey, we getting HCWB. This was interesting, but it's kind of scary after that. But now we're about to get a higher high. That's the last high right there. Yeah. Oh, for real? Are they? Wow, I didn't even realize Wave Rider, the market is running right now. Who was that was trading NQ? that you, Knives? That was you, Knives. Oh no, that was K1. That was K1. Yeah, K1 was in here talking about long in the NQ too. Nah, my man. There go HCWB, bro. Well, we got the higher high, you know. Let me see if it pulls back. I don't even know if I want to mess with anything. JD looking cool on the 15 right over here. We'll see if the high follows up. I mean, the 5 minute follows up. What you think, y'all? Double top right here, or we keep rolling? Shoot, I think I'm gonna drop out of 3/4 under this candle. Hmm. What's the volume saying? Volume saying we good. To be frank. To be frank. Better sell rules. Yeah, I'm getting there though. I'm. This is the best way to me. I'm formulating the final thing right now.
Order filled.
But um I still think I'm selling too much at one time. I just want to. Honestly, my plan now is to sell on all these volume pops on the one, and when I see the 5 minute sell signal, I'm getting out of 3/4 to 100%. Oh wow, dang. I mean, if you took this entry, you definitely got to be taking out some profit. It gave you a signal right here. This candle right here is just telling you sell. Sell, sell, sell. You just gotta pay attention. You gotta pay attention. Yeah, when it's 5, when I get a big pop on the 5, I'm selling too many shares at once. I need to hit one of these smaller buttons. Okay. All right. Let's chill. Yeah, my goal today was to take off my P&L and stop selling at R's and to just trade the chart. Like, I feel like one of my strong suits is reading price action. And, I often sell at the tops. When you go back and look at my charts, you'll see that I'm selling at the tops. And that's from, actually trading the price action. And so I'm just going to trade the price action. If I just lock in and pay attention, I can sell the tops of these candles and I just got to not be worried about the money. The money makes me, oh, man, I got this much on the table. Oh, I don't want to lose that. And, I end up with suboptimal results, so I'm just trying to just trade the chart. And if I don't see the money and y'all don't see the money, maybe it'll be easier for us to ride the position, to its full destination, because the volume tells you. Just like I just showed y'all on HCWB. If you was riding this wave and you seen this candle at the top of a range on this volume, bruh, you got to get out, man. Even on the 5, look at this astronomical volume. That's sell, bro. You got to sell. So I'm just trying to, evolve in that sense. And that, I think it'll allow me to carry more shares higher because I'm not selling just because, oh, there's 2R Bing, there's 3R Bing, you know. Yeah. I'm definitely I got my mind is hovering over this 3/4 sell button because when I see some violence, I'm getting out of 3/4. But until then, I'm chilling because I don't, the green looks super strong. You know, I don't think I would want to get less than this right here though. My man, I appreciate it, HH. I feel good, man. I feel solid. I wish I didn't take this stupid experimental pre-market and have this little $20 blemish on my day, but uh, you know, whatever. I didn't even look at what I just had on MVST. Did y'all see? Don't tell me. I don't even want to know. I don't want to adjust my expectations at all. Let's just ride this thing out, man. See what happens. I want to see 350, but you know, that's just what I want. Ooh, that's a 3/4. I think we break this candle on the low. I'm getting out of 3/4. Uh, is that too soon? This is some high volume, but it's not peaking on the one for real. It's just good volume.
WBD.
It ain't even pulled back on the 5 yet, though. But where am I going to put my stop at? I don't see nothing too crazy on the one yet.
JBLU.
Thanks, HH. Yeah, let's calm down a bit. Let's calm down. I don't see any extreme. I mean, this is, I could tell this was the end of this little move, but I don't know if that's enough to jump out of 3/4 of the position. Oh yeah, Meta. Let me check it out. Let me check out my setup on Meta. Oh yeah, look at that. It was gravy. Clean. I just don't want to make a habit of just jumping in things when I see a setup right away. You know, you gotta. The pre-market process is essential, so I don't really want to do too much jumping. I did jump in this MVST, but bro, once I saw how significant the level was and then seeing it actually break and hold above, the 15 was like the deciding factor. This candle to close above, for this 15-minute candle to close above that level, I was like, yeah, it's holding. It's clearly holding. And that's a big level that's been getting tapped for months.
RKT.
You in AMD? Ooh, I like that too. You short? You must be short, Jack. I like that. You imagine another leg like these two? Another leg. I got a place to bring my stop though now. If we can get another high out of it. Long 109.50. I don't know, man. I think this is a nice little, that 15 top candle might be a little worrisome, but yeah, I don't know. I feel you, Jack. I feel you. I don't want to push you the other way, but I don't know how the volume says upside to me. But I don't know. I definitely would 109.50. Yeah, I wouldn't let it go under 109.73. That's for sure. Or 109.76. Yeah, the market is ripping. This is definitely not relatively strong. Tripping. I need to be watching this guy. What are we gonna do here? This was pretty extended. I probably should have got 3/4 out up there. 15-minute looking a little. I don't know. We'll see though. I want to see a volume candle like this. If I see another volume candle like that, I'm definitely gonna be looking to get out of most of my shares for sure. So that's like my criteria. Oh yeah. Yeah, I saw that little pipe. Oh yeah. Come on with it, man. Come on with it. I want to see that 350. I don't even know if I want to sit through the 1 minute. I really could have got it all out there near the top because I could tell it was slowing, but I just don't think it's the end of the trend. But I don't want to sit through a 15-minute pullback either. Actually, I should have looked at the 15-minute chart. Yeah, that ain't cool. Mm-hmm. I actually did get out of about 3/4 of the position already. Because I think I started with what, like 1,400 shares or something like that. I know, Trey. There we go on JD. JD's starting the uptrend. This was pretty nice, but still a lower high. But now it is a higher high because that was the last lower high. So now we got a higher high. So I would say JD is in play now. So now we're just waiting for a higher low. We'll see what happens. Look who came down to the EMA.
BULL.
No, this looks terrible. No, thank you. No, thank you. Yeah, I think we're good. HH. I don't think I'm going to let this go another candle, though. 2 candle pullback is all you get there, buddy. That's all you get there, buddy. All right, who's going to be brave and take... Nah, it's a lower low, though. Lower low. Oh, do we add? Yeah, buddy. Come on, man. They still here. They need to get this. They need to win. Fight. Sure them wasn't sellers that came in at 320. This is a really nice pullback on the 5 though, for real. If this can hammer up closer to 320 and then we get the break of 320, yeah, I'm cool on it. If it didn't make a lower low right here, I'd be interested. Now it just like basically resets the whole pattern. What are we doing here? Okay. All right. I like that level for sure. And I kind of want to add it actually. I kind of want to add, but I'm gonna take it easy today. We just gonna note that I wanted to add. Just to give myself a little more credibility for next time I want to add. What you trade today, Joe? Come on, buyers. Got a double bottom on the one at 310. Hold it down. Yo, HCWB. This looks pretty good. I'm just scared to death. Where's my mouse thing? Where's my crosshairs? I don't have crosshairs. Did I take that off? I must have pressed a button or something. Sheesh. What's my stop say? 96. I know I should have took it all out up there. I started to. Whack. And you know it's gonna stop me out and go right back up. You know it is. $97 went down to 97. I'm gonna go right to my 95.
FE.
Way too much pullback. I should have stopped out under this candle right here. Especially seeing how the trend moved. It didn't trend like pullback, pullback, pullback. Yeah, it was way up there too. I just didn't see like a real sell signal though. So we'll see. Might work out for your boy. 1L on 09. I used to love me some coin. Nice daily setup on it. Oh, that's a weekly. Nice weekly setup. Wow, nice daily. Sheesh. Dang. Man, thanks, Knives. You're right. Absolutely right. Dang, JD, all gas, no brakes. He said pull back where? Honestly, a break over the highs though, and then a pullback would be super ideal. Oh yeah, AMD. Yeah, that lower high, sketchy. Nah, because I'm okay with being in 5-minute pullbacks. And this is like the first pullback since this one. But I told myself I didn't want to let it do 3 candles. So I really could have got out at my first execution up here, and that would have been awesome. But it just be like that sometimes. Hey man, the time for HCWB is now. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. Don't do that. But look at that. We might end up going crazy. Because I mean technically it's still uptrending, right? Higher, high, higher, high, higher, high, higher, high. And then this is the first pullback since this for this leg. It's just almost 100%. There goes HCWB. The WB. I bet this was a good on the 15. Yeah, I said it was too. Yeah, she went and ran. Sometimes they just don't give you nothing. I don't know if these little guys are enough for some hope. This looks like the bottom of the trend, though. Good spot to reverse at the $3 level. Need some buyers, though.
FUBO.
Yeah. A good no trade day or a bad no trade day? Man, that would have been gangster to take out 3/4 up there where I said that would have been gangster. Bruh, imagine this 15-minute candle go off. Pew, pew, pew. Imagine. You know those stocks where you come back at the end of the day and you were trading it at like $4 and you come back and it's at like 12.50. We got to catch one of these one day. Yeah, I'm thinking so too, Knives. Oh, was this VWAP? I miss VWAP sometimes. I don't want to add another variable again. I think I'm doing pretty good with what I got. Yeah, I think I could have held a tinier bit. But yeah, I'm sitting on like a third actually. So I'm definitely hoping I can get a little more out. Yeah. Yeah, especially up this side from the EMA. Like, bro, just take it out, man. I sold the top, could have sold the bottom, been good to go. Reevaluate. It's a nice pullback though. It was.
LNT.
Kind of feel like I should have sold a little bit up here too. Yo, nah. Come on, man. One more run. One more run. Yeah, come on. Sure is nice to be break even right under the whole dollar. What's up, Uncle Paul? Man, HCWB, bro. You got the higher high, higher low, narrow range. Looks good on the 5. Pretty sideways on the 1, though. I'm good. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to take another trade today. I wanted JD, but nah, it's already made a move. I'm good. Yeah, I just don't see nothing else worth the time or the risk. I hit it, man. So I can stop trading it and just trade the chart. Yeah, we'll take a peek here in a bit. See how this thing works out. Oh, if we break this high right here, what is this? Where is my crosshair? Oh, there we go. 313. Oh man, there it is, bro. There it is. Just wasn't perfect, so I could feel great about it. Just had a lot of weird stuff going on with it. Yeah, I'm about to actually take it off. Put the spy right there. Need that kind of drama. JD though, man, I might have to take this one. Uh,
CMCSO.
I'd have to risk down to there. It's like 40-cent risk. Over 34. It's 35 right there. Hit 36 already, man. Yeah, it ain't worth it. Yeah, that's crazy. How you mad?
CLF.
I'm chilling. UNH. What is this? United Health Group. What happened with them? Suspends guidance as CEO steps down. Dang. They like, we don't know what's gonna happen going forward, y'all. that's that stuff we said about next year. Dang. Hilarious. Right. Yeah, I was thinking of taking some out at 320. I'm gonna watch the volume though. Because I don't want this to just be a retracement, you know? I know it is. Two R for this trade is 309. um, yeah, I mean, if it comes back down here, I would say it's done. So I'm gonna put my stop under that. And that's my 2R line in the sand. So I think it'll be my lowest execution as well. So, yeah, Jack, I thought it looked long, man. I thought it looked long, bro. The volume on the 15 and the 5, it was all green, bro. That sucks, man. Shoot, I ain't even giving it back to 3. My 2R was 309. That's one thing I like about the 2R bracket order. It gives me like a line like, all right, bro, this is kind of where you want to get above, you know? Spy's doing really well today. That sucks, Jack, man. I'm sorry, bro. You were in the right stock, had the right idea. Just didn't go like you wanted it. Then the reverse. That's actually one of the reasons why well, I mean, I don't short for religious reasons, but if I did, I just the changing of directions to me just seemed that's what I didn't like when I was trading the indexes and I would do the Qs and the SQs and I would get stopped out on the Qs and I'd be like, all right, I'm flipping to the SQs and then I would get stopped out over there and then go back to the Qs. Bro. I ain't built for that, man. That's that next level stuff. I ain't made it there yet. All right, I'm definitely not selling anything else until above this high, and I'm also not moving my stop down. Period. So I think we did pretty good, you guys. I still really want 350 though, man. Uh-oh. It's happening. Actually, there's nothing for me to do. But watch at this point. Bro. Oh, Jack, man. Damn. Damn, bro. I'm having PTSD over here because I know exactly what this feels like. I'm sorry, bro. Be another one. Uh, That volume though, man. All right, Jack. Keep your head up, man. No big deal. Be another one tomorrow, man. That 15 looking pretty solid, yo. Hopefully we can retake 320 and keep the keep this thing moving. I started to say I need to move my stop up to this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh man, look at JD, bruh. Just got the higher high, man.
Top of the move.
No, 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 no. This is how many shares I got, bro. Bro, I want to take this. I hit it, bro. We about to be stopped out, bro. It's about to be cool. All right, I got you. Uh, I'm gonna see it, bro. He said, "Hey, yo." Hey, yo. That is hilarious. Hilarious. That's got to be the biggest pause in SDT history. Oh, damn. Nah, cause then I need to hide my P&L from y'all too, cause y'all be like, sell, sell. You got $50 up, you take it. And I be like, chill, y'all, hold up, let me cook. All right, we stopped out of MVST. All right, I gotta mark the time. What is this? An hour and 36. I'm gonna have to clip the comments too. All right, let's check it out. All right. Not a home run, but a good base hit. 2.6 R. Not bad. Made back yesterday. Appreciate it, Uncle Paul. I don't know. I might have needed to leave this alone and walk away. But I mean, it looks good. It's definitely uptrending and definitely based off of this one EMA and started making highs again. So I think we're all right. It's 15. Yes, sir. Yeah. Looks like I got a little too aggressive on my stop over here too. Should have kept it down there. I just didn't want to see it, this lower high. It ran out of energy quick after that bounce. Did you? Oh man, I hope this ain't the L. I like the setup though. I like the 15 a lot. It is just a little high, but we got a good support level. Actually, it's probably closer to down here. We'll see though. This is a really nice higher low right here to this level, but it ain't nothing without buyers. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, for sure. There's just always when there's reasons to not take it though. But we got the first higher high, first higher low, over high of day. It's pretty solid setup. I wanted to take it real bad. Come on, man. You can do it. Ah, it's going well, man. It's going well. HH. I appreciate it, bro. I had MF. Oh man, I had MVST this morning, and bro, I was looking at this level. Pharaoh brought this in here, and I was just looking at how significant this level is when you zoom out. And at first, I was like, throw it in the trash, but then it broke over and held, and I saw the 15 closed over that level, and then we get this nice super tight range higher low. Had to take it. And I waited. I was able to wait and sell on the volume pops. So I got a lot of good good executions. And what do we finish up? 2.6 R, 266. Pretty good.
FLS2.
Yeah, I'm gonna be mad about this though. Stop should have never went up past this, but I traded my P&L without seeing it. It was cool to take profit there, but there was no reason to raise my stop above this level right here. It's all good. Almost got you. What you mean? Do you see what I see? Oh yeah, for real? What you talking about? For real? What you mean? What happened if the opposite happened on MVST? Oh, just playing. Uh, okay, I see what you mean. But my grievance is only when I don't follow the rule. The rule is to leave my stop back there. And that's a rule for a reason. That's a rule from like overall how I know I feel and what I want, to do from in a trade. But this part was like preservation. That's not trading the chart. That's thinking, well, if it comes back down, I'm losing more money. But I already have a area for doing that, and that's the last low. But it's all good. I think as yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna I don't want to be mad at myself for taking profit. Um this made sense. This made sense. But I am still gonna be salty if it goes up because I know my rules say keep my stop back there. So, But yeah, I be trying though, man. Can't knock a guy for trying. Come on, man. I could see you want to do it. Yeah, I did see that, man. That's what I definitely made sure I didn't do that today. Which I need to make sure I keep my eyeballs on this because yesterday should have been green. Yeah, for yesterday to be red is ridiculous. I ain't gonna hold you. Ridiculous. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you, DJ. Come on, man. Don't have me here all day. That's the thing that I want to do though. If I feel like I want to take profit like this, take 3/4. I could have just hit the 3/4 button and then put the rest at break even. That way, I know I've captured the bulk of my profit, but I also have some exposure to avoid feeling like I feel right now. You know, I still have my stop back here at the higher low where it should be. And then if we get a new high over this high, then I can move my stop up to here. We just kind of start over again. But this was good. This was good though, because this is a long leg down and this is a short leg up before the pullback. So it made sense to take profit around this area. Just not the whole position is what I'm saying. What y'all thinking? Come on, bugs. We need some. We don't even need bugs. I was about to grab bugs. JD said I got it. All right, so 38 is 2R basically. Got this guy over here at 39.20, 39.27. Put a little line there. We got pre-market at 37.83. What's Meta doing? Oh, look at that Meta trade, boy. I should have took it. That's okay though. That's why I wanted to just mark it and come back and check it out. It's just a nice little drop in the confidence bucket that I can see these moves. The SPY looks pretty bullish. Kind of. Over highs for sure.
CBD.
All right, so we got pre-market coming up, but 2R isn't until 38. So we'll watch the volume though. I'm not hung up on the R's like that no more. So if I see a crazy, this is kind of wild. Yeah, I want to see something like this before I sell again. Man, the nights before the trading session, thinking about all the weight of these every single day that I'm coming in here right now. Like I'm at work right now. And to not have the track record that one should have before doing this is very nerve-wracking because like, I just jumped off a cliff with my first parachute that I ever packed. So and it's just like still not confident on the guy who's going to be sitting here, you know. Like I do have the read. I have the read figured out. But the discipline to just trade only that and not go spelunking in the market, expressing myself is difficult. But to come in here and have a good performance feels great, man. Excuse me. Catalyst, man. I hope we can get this thing to 39.
NWL.
I appreciate it, DJ. I appreciate it, man. I'm so happy about it. There were some serious times in the last couple months where I questioned just like me as a person. Like maybe I'm just not a disciplined person. I just can't reach the level that you need to reach in order to be successful in this. Like, I was just like trying to have a real talk with myself. Like maybe just not that guy, man. How long, how long, how long can we keep the delusion up? Which is crazy because like 5 years is a freaking long time to come in here and keep doing this every day. And like, you can't even talk to your wife about it anymore because, like, oh, still talking about trading, huh? Like, oh, yeah, that's great, honey. Yeah, okay. All right. Where's the money? You're doing this for money, right? BJ, what helped me get out? Two things for sure that stand out. Um, trying to do one trade a day. Trying to do one trade a day. That really, because my problem was just I like to trade and I like to try things. So if I see something, actually, what I think it was, there's a difference between a chart that looks bullish and a chart that is setting up for a trade. And I would trade a lot of things just because it was bullish without a setup, or with maybe one condition of the setup but none of the other conditions, but thinking, well, it's bullish, so it's going to go up, it's probably going to go up, but not having a good setup for the actual trade, like the risk to reward, having a stop near support, all the things that make sense. And so trying to do one trade a day, like, it made that one trade such a big deal that it made me stop and really consider, is this trade worth my one trade today? And that process alone, just actually validating a trade against my rules before entering, and not only validating it, but letting that be the law. Like, if it says you can't take it, not taking it. I would look over a stock and be like, nah, I can't take it. That's trash. And 2 minutes later, I'm in it, just because I saw, a volume spike or something, or a candle made a new high. So that, and then in the process of doing that, I had a no trade day where I literally did not find a single thing. And I just sat here for a couple hours and looked at it, just ain't nothing to do. And those two things is like this is what's been missing, and hey, when we get on, I'm definitely sending lunch to everybody. Trey's low key my manager. uh, 1,000 times, Joe. uh, I don't know, this JD trade. This JD trade is I mean, it's cool. Give it some time. We're at about half the risk I started with, I think. Right, hella molasses, bro. Nobody got time for that. It's uptrending though. I don't know, man. We want tacos. We want tacos. You know how fun it is to go to the gym after a green day? I'll be walking into the gym like day trader. Yeah, you're not messing up my day, JD. You ain't messing up my day. You got 30 seconds. You got 30 seconds to get your butt back above this EMA. There you go. Get it together. Yeah. Yeah. Like I said. Don't start none, won't be none. Come on, give me that new high. Oh, so I can move my stop up some more. What we got? 37.69. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Especially now that I'm actually trading with some money, man. Like before, it was like, yeah, man, I made $25 off a $5 risk. Yes. Now it's like, made a couple $100 today. Might be able to pay a bill or something. Hey, look at that. We did good over here, man. That was good chart reading. For this second leg, if this is actually just a pullback, it would explode and make a longer leg to the upside. So when I saw it turning around already, I really wanted to brace my stop up to there. So I think this is a good read, man. The better read would have been to sell it all up here, actually. It crossed my mind, but I just really wanted 350, so I wasn't ready for that. Might mess around and set up again. Need a high over that. Need a high over that, and we'll see what she's talking about. Yeah, that's my line in the sand right there, JD. Ooh, the spy is looking good. Ooh, is that a high? What we need, 69? 70? Come on, show me 70 for that new high day. Get on up here to pre-market high. There it is. There it is. All right, let's keep an eye on this volume down here. We start breaking this level. Gonna have to sell some. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. I told y'all something changed, man. Feel it. Something's different. Imagine if I took that meta trade though, bro. Oh my god. What a call, man. We'll see May 31st, no doubt. No doubt. Oh my god, y'all. What if we get to May 31st? Let's dream. Imagine May 31st, bro, being up like, I don't know. How far away is that? What was that, 2 weeks? Yesterday could have been 500 red, no doubt. No doubt. If I wasn't about to say if I wasn't a cold-blooded assassin pulling it out the mud. Nah, but I hear you though. I hear you. I'm gonna get that in check though. I know that's got to be checked for sure. For sure. Pre-market high. Home runner, you in here with me? I'm selling on that volume, dog. Is that too early?
UTSG.
Selling on that volume, dog. Gotta win this race. See that volume pop right there? Had to give him some. When you see that volume pop, that means Billy is entering the chat, and we serve Billy. So when we see Billy enter the chat, we got to give Billy some shares. All right. So every time we see this volume pop, see this right there, that's Billy. That's Billy too. This also Billy. This like Billy little brother. We probably could have held that one, but definitely when Billy's big brother comes, we're gonna sell. I'm not selling more until 38 though. I want 38. Billy, I'm your pusher. Come get these shares, Billy. I'm just looking for an uptrend, bro. An uptrend on the 5 over the EMA. That's literally all I'm looking for. The beginning, the first sign of confirmation that we are uptrending, which is a higher high followed by a higher low above the EMA. It has to be above the moving average. It has to have changed because basically it's going to start the uptrend on the 1 minute chart. It's going to work its way up. If it works long enough, it'll pull the 5 into the uptrend. And once the 5 gets over the EMA and holds, I'm calling that a full-fledged uptrend and I'm jumping in. So like here, we got the high, higher low. I like this crossover to the EMA and this candle right here, but it's still a lower high. So I couldn't take that. But once we broke this, once we got this up here, we got the higher high, higher low, and we're above previous high of day. Start throwing some narrow range candles. Look pretty good, you know? So it's basically, I just want to see price build on itself, you know? Higher highs, higher lows. It's just building on itself. Once it stops downtrending and starts building, you know, get in. MS, we got 266 on MVST. Nah. Oh, I missed this. I didn't even see that. Ooh. Oh, you have 50% commissions. I'm your pusher. 85K. Golly. Right, gotta be. Hey, I heard somebody passed up number one on K info. Who's that guy?
Order filled.
Yo, Billy. Yo, Billy. For sure, man.
RR.
You just could need $1 million in your trading account, and you do your thing. Being a little aggressive with my stop, to be honest. I don't know why I'm doing that. It's this low, 52. Yeah, I'm tripping. Relax. Relax for a minute. Oh yeah. Yeah, the first time I saw where I was trading live, I was just like, nah, this ain't for me right here. Definitely not for me. I know the party ain't over yet, JD. That is a pretty big candle. It's getting late. What do I do? What do I do? Follow the rules? Could do that. Could follow the rules. Stock jock? Nah, I haven't seen that. What's that? Yeah. Ooh, that 15 look bad. Uh, yeah. Not tripping. I'm chilling.
Order filled.
Ha! Stop it, DJ. I only regret is not validating meta when I saw it because it was such a good setup. But I don't know. Did they have a catalyst? CPI numbers. I really like trading without seeing my P&L and just literally looking at the volume. I like that a lot. Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, what a great trade. Looks really sweet on the one. Look at that, man.
SLPT.
And then we came back and had the wherewithal to sell some more up here in the money. That was nice. Read and react, man. Look at these sales. This is so cool. I could have got out. Tomorrow.
CLVT.
I'm getting out at the top of the 5 minute pullback for sure. At least three quarters. Cause I totally called it up here. I was like, well, it could pull back and then keep going. But look where we were at. We were way up here. Way up here. Definitely. And the volume, like this right here, for sure, sell signal. I violated big time not selling after seeing this. I remember looking at it too. The 5 minute, like the 1 minute, I'm selling like pieces, quarters, or whatever. But when you see Billy show up on the five, shares gotta go, man. Shares gotta go. I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow. Just the big volume on the five, it's over. Time to sell. If I look at the daily range and think it's got more left, then maybe you can sell three quarters. But I mean, a day like this, just take it all out, bro. Just take it all out. It ain't going nowhere. Especially if it's towards the end of my session. But ah, appreciate it, DJ. It feels like it. I'm turning up risk aggressively for sure. Like, if I can get a solid weekend, well, I'm probably gonna need to make a withdrawal actually. But I really want to go up to $200 risk as soon as possible. But I also don't want to be risking a ridiculous percentage of my account at the same time. Um, so I got to take it kind of slow, but I'm trying to get to the point where 2R, because I feel like 2R is pretty easy to get. Where 2R is enough, like,
MRNR.
$300 a day. That's kind of my objective. $300 to $500 a day. You know, if I can get 2R to that amount, things will get really saucy. Yeah, it is really big. It is really big. I think I can do a couple weeks at 100 for sure and try to pad the account
RIG.
because we're teetering the line. Teetering the line. This is basically a small account challenge right now. But it's not a challenge because I'm a great trader and I just want to do a PR stunt. It's a challenge because my account's small. The only reason I have a BJ to move my stop before taking profit is if there's a higher low on the 5 followed by a higher high. So let's see if I can find a good chart example. I guess it's good enough. Um, no, not really. Oh, the one would be better. Yeah, let's check out the one. Okay, so this kind of sucks too. All right, so if I get in here, I'm putting my stop under the low, right? And I'm not gonna move my stop above this low until, like, I wouldn't move my stop up to here until the high broke above the high, because now this for sure is a higher low. You don't know if it's a higher low until you get the higher high after it. So once you get the higher high after it, then I move my stop up. But I won't move my stop up before that unless I take profit. Once I start taking profit, stop goes to break even, period. Because we're not going to let a winner go. We're not going to lose our winnings. Once we start taking profit, that's not up for grabs by the market anymore. That's my money. But aside from that, yeah, once I get in, if it goes straight down, then I'm gonna lose R. I'm not gonna move my stop up just to cut the loss, because if my stop is under support, it's not crazy for it to want to come back down and test support again. So I don't want to cut it just because it's coming back to support. I want to cut it because it broke support. Nah, I mean, I think there maybe is some room for that, but basically when I get in a stock and put my stop, that's me. The reason I'm putting my stop there is because that is the break of the structure of what I'm hoping will be an uptrend. Like, if it breaks below that price, it's absolutely not an uptrend. I need to get out. So there's not really much room to move my stop up in that zone from my entry to where I put my stop until we start getting higher lows and higher highs. I got you, H. Uh, yeah, we eating good today. It's gonna get to a point where we eating lunch on the stream, and I'm gonna just be door dashing, yo. Maybe one day things keep going this well. Let's look at the journal, man. This has been quite a last couple weeks. Definitely the most significant weeks of my trading career. Okay. So we were down 186.24 and we made back three, what, 77.82. So back green on the week, strong green on the month. Um, 3 sessions left this week. We don't have, what was it, market close Monday? Five, 9, 10, 12 more days to trade. Yeah. I don't know. You're gonna have to show me oh, the 26th. Okay. You're gonna have to show me a screenshot because my impression from just looking at news on Benzinga the last couple days, I switched to Yahoo, man. Yahoo actually was super clean. Totals by date. Let's see. Let's go to that Friday. I sent the deposit over. Was that phone dead? You see the second news drops. All right. So Wednesday, April 30th, my account dropped down to $279. And I sent some money over. Does it show that? Okay. Transfers 497.29 plus they took their $130 fee out. So May 1st, sitting at 633 bucks, 40 cent. Friday went up to 697. Monday up to 991. Tuesday 1389. Wednesday was tragic, bro. Golly. Oh, I'm paying commissions now. $33 in ECN fees. Lord have mercy. Dang, $50 in commissions. I was trading a lot of shares that day. The losses be so expensive, man. Look at this nice winning day. Only paid $10 in commissions. Look at this. Losing day, paid $50 in commissions. What a slap in the face. But Thursday we came back and brought it back up to 1158. And then Friday, what happened Friday? We didn't trade that Friday? Huh. I wonder why it's not showing my Friday in here. It's weird. We traded Friday, right? Yeah, I got 70 bucks right there. Hold on, man. The net P&L. Where my Friday at though? Oh, wait. This is Thursday? This day right here? Oh, my bad. Yeah, my bad. May 2nd right here. I'm gonna have to go back and edit that out. I was about to bring my calculator out. Like, hold on, dog. Don't be playing with my money. All right, cool, cool, cool. Hmm. All right, so we dropped back down to 1280. Okay, so we'll be back over 1500 as of today. Yeah, man. Yeah, commissions are rough. I gotta stop having these pullbacks, man. Hmm. Yeah, commissions are rough, man. I could definitely see a move to Webull at some point in the future when I pass that 25K. Cause sheesh, man. I do like my setup though. Hotkeys and all that good stuff. I still got a lot of work I need to put in on my hotkeys. They're not really optimized yet, but I guess they're getting the job done for now. Yeah, interactive brokers. I love the leverage though. I don't know. Maybe they'll negotiate with me after I make them a few 100,000 and yeah, that's the thing, DJ. Yeah. Yeah, I know when you're trading with a lot of shares, 5 cent slippage is a whole lot of money. More than you'd probably pay in commissions. So I get it. Wow. What's the P&L, DJ? Come on, bro. What is it? Give us something to aspire to. Ooh. Oh my God. I'm really looking for I want that $1,000 day, man. $1,000 in one day. 377 is pretty freaking awesome though for you know 12,500 shares with Mogo. I mean, the job I passed up, right? $45 an hour times 8 hours. It's $360. And I drive a big V8 van. So I probably would have spent like $20 on gas today. And I made 377. Then had to leave, hanging out with you guys. I think this is worth being disciplined, man. All I gotta do is trade my rules, and I can do this every day. You damn right it's time for the gym, Pharaoh. Man, we just getting started though. You think if I have a successful month, you think we're gonna be at $100 risk next month? uh, I do too, man. When 2R is $500, it's a wrap. Then y'all probably gonna get me to sell faster. Nah, I think I've really found my place as far as taking profit. Just gotta trade the chart, man. All right, you guys, it's lunchtime. You guys be easy out there, man. Be safe. Take care of them accounts. Uh Another day of affirmation and confirmation and confidence. I'm feeling good about this thing. Next red day gotta be tiny. Teeny tiny. Honestly, I feel like if I really dial in and only take A plus setups, like the chances of me taking 3 A plus setups in a row and them all stopping me out at 1R, I just feel like that's rare. It should not happen. Like, yeah, for sure. So I just gotta be strict, man, and I gotta be willing to let go the subpar setups. That's literally the thing. I think I can get my accuracy up pretty high, but it's only gonna go up with my discipline. So anyway, good day in the bag. Appreciate y'all for hanging out. Hit that like button for me, please, y'all. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And look out for that review video. All right, y'all. Peace.